Welcome to our exploration of design theory, where we uncover the fascinating interplay between human behavior and design innovation. In today's session, our spotlight shines on behaviorism, a pivotal aspect of design theory that illuminates how human actions shape the design landscape. Before we delve into the depths of behaviorism, let's lay the groundwork for understanding the essence of design theory. Instructional design is the art and science of creating effective learning experiences. At its core is empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings, thoughts, and experiences of others. In the context of instructional design, empathy plays a crucial role in creating learning materials and activities that resonate with learners and meet their needs effectively. Let's now explore various learning theories and their significance in instructional design. Behaviorism focuses on observable behaviors and stimuli response associations, and forms the design of user interfaces and feedback mechanisms in instructional materials to encourage desired behaviors. Constructivism emphasizes active learning and the construction of knowledge through experience, guides the creation of interactive learning environments and hands-on activities to facilitate knowledge construction by learners. Cognitism focuses on mental processes like memory, problem solving, and decision making. It forms the design of instructional materials and interfaces to optimize cognitive processes and enhance learning outcomes. Connectivism views learning as a networked process, emphasizing the role of social and digital networks. Guides the design of collaborative learning experiences and knowledge sharing platforms that leverage networked connections. Humanism prioritizes individual growth, self actualization, and personal experiences. Guides the design of learning experiences that empower learners and enhance their well being. Postmodernism challenges traditional narratives and perspectives, embracing diversity and complexity. Encourage designers to explore diverse viewpoints and incorporate multiple perspectives into learning materials.
Now we will take a closer look at behaviorism. Behaviorism is the belief that behavior is learned through interactions with the environment, and it emphasizes the role of reinforcement and punishment in helping to shape behavior. The theory of behaviorism works by emphasizing observable behaviors as the primary focus rather than internal mental processes such as thoughts and emotions. Behaviorism focuses on two different aspects: observable behaviors and stimuli response associations. Observable behaviors play a central role in the behaviorism theory, as scientists tend to focus on studying and understanding actions that can be directly observed and measured. With stimuli response associations, it refers to more of the connections being formed to specific stimuli and their corresponding responses. Behaviors are learned through processes of conditioning. Two different types of conditioning are classical and operant. Classical conditioning is learning through association. One example is instructional designers might incorporate specific background music or sounds to signal transitions between different learning activities or sections within a course. A particular musical piece could be played before introducing a new topic or when transitioning from individual work to group discussions. With operant conditioning, we are learning through reinforcements and consequences. Behaviors that receive positive reinforcements are likely to be repeated, and behaviors that receive consequences are less likely to be repeated. Instructional designers could use positive reinforcements to encourage active participation from learners. This could include providing praise, virtual badges, or giving points for contributing to different aspects of an online course. Additionally, designers can incorporate immediate feedback to reinforce correct responses from learners. The theory of behaviorism plays a foundational role in instructional design, influencing how educators create learning experiences and facilitate learning outcomes. Behaviorism informs instructional design practices, helping designers create effective learning experiences that focus on observable behaviors, reinforcement, and systematic learning approaches.
To see a learning theory in action, we chose behaviorism with positive behavioral interventions and supports, or PBIS. It's an evidence based tiered framework for supporting students' behavioral, academic, social, emotional, and mental health. This system is placed in K through 12 schools to promote positive behavior among students and staff. Each school uses disciplinary data to see what areas need work the most. And if you look at the matrix, it says "We are the PAC." This was used at Langham Creek High School in Houston, Texas. PAC stood for Pride, Accountability, Community, and Kindness. And you can see that the students are given ideas of how to behave in certain areas within the school. As with Pavlov's dog, the students get a prize. They just don't get a treat. Their prize is a low buck. As students demonstrate the positive behavior explained in the matrix, teachers hand out low bucks, and then they're able to use that as currency in our school store. It had everything from school supplies to school attire. We even did raffles, and one year we handed out Houston Astros tickets.
There are multiple ways that behaviorism presents in adult settings. Looking at a corporate setting, employers may offer performance-based incentives, feedback and coaching, training programs, and performance evaluations. Whereas in adult learning setting, we can see immediate feedback, gradings and rewards, active learning strategies, and clear expectations and consequences. The context in which behaviorism is applied differs between workplace environments and learning settings. In the workplace, behaviorism is used to improve productivity, performance, and company outcome. Whereas in adult learning classes, it is used to facilitate learning and skill acquisition. Both settings focus on observable behaviors rather than mental processes. This means that the behaviors such as meeting deadlines, participating in discussions, or achieving performance targets are emphasized and reinforced. Incorporating these learning theories into instructional design practices allows us to create more effective and engaging learning experiences. By understanding the role of empathy and considering diverse learning theories, instructional designers can tailor their approaches to meet the needs and preferences of the learners, resulting in meaningful and impactful learning outcomes. Instructional design is not just about delivering information. It's about creating experiences and inspiring learning and empowering individuals to reach their full potential.